birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Said I want you forever, forever and always.
Happy birthday, something again. Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate. Congratulations to yourself. Happy graduate. Happy birthday, Ate Majoy.
Go.
Happy birthday, Ate Majoy.
A million holes, a maze that's never ending. They talk about what happened, but you can barely hear them.
Happy birthday, Lola! Yung birthday ko Happy birthday ulit, Joy.
Hi, Mariel. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life and good health. More blessings to come and happy birthday.
Hi, ate. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Majoy. Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo at sana lahat ng gusto matupad. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Everyone to
Birthday. Nagulat ka, no? Happy birthday, Tolay. Hindi ka na. Hindi ka na ba yung... Ano ba tawag doon? Alam mo na yun. Happy birthday.
Hi, Joy. Happy birthday. Tulad ng sinasabi nila, kung magsabi ko lang din happy birthday. Yun lang. Hindi ko maging masaya. Bye-bye. Morning.
From the couple next door, everybody's laughing as the tears fall on the floor. She looks into his eyes and she says, I want you forever, forever and always, through the good and the bad. Birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Majoy. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Happy birthday, Majoy. 8-year-old ka na, so boyfriend ka na. Allowed na ba? Pagputulan mo kaya ng konti yung buko para medyo makita yung ganda ng yung pangumukha.
Yun.
Happy birthday!
Joy, happy birthday. Hoping na nag-enjoy ko sa birthday mo and continue to be a good
Hindi pa nga nag birthday.
Hindi pa, continue mo.
Sige na, sige na. Oh,
Sige, and then take care of your studies and huwag kang masyadong pasaway kay tita. Tsaka
Happy birthday, Joy!
Happy lang eh.
Say happy birthday.
Yun lang.
More boys pa. Pero secret lang yun. Walang makakarating kay Tita G.
Broadcast.
So, ang legs ingatan. Okay? See you next year. Ciao!
Hi, happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. Dalaga nga na. Tulad ng sabi nila, collect lang ng collect. Huwag kang nagsiselect. Alam mo naman yun. Huwag mo munang select na kahit sino. Huwag mo sayangin yung ganda mo. Okay? Basta happy birthday. Madami pa naman tayong pagkasamahin. Still blessed to part. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
happy birthday, Ate Joy.
Hey!
May your wishes may come true. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Majoy. Have a nice day. Yun lang.
And I think you're from another world, and I couldn't love another girl, 'cause you make me feel like I'm intoxicated, and I'm home full of frozen faces.
So,
Happy birthday, Joy. Sana hindi kang bago. Stay beautiful, stay healthy. Alagaan mo lagi sila, Joshua, Pato, Nancy. Sana mapagtapos ka ng college. Wish ko, yun lang mga wish ko. Sana hindi kang bago. Sana kabaligan. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Go.
Diba yun? Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya kasama ko yung unang birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Mariel. Wish you all the best and stay pretty and studies first. Love lang ba tayo? Happy birthday.
Hi, Joy. Happy birthday. 18 years old ka na. Sana, kahit 18 ka, syempre 18, yun na yung sign ng pagiging, ganap na dalaga. Pero, sana, kahit na 18 daw, na huwag mong kakalimutan pa rin na yung magulang mo palagi na yun daan sa'yo lagi na sa panahon na 18 ka na. So, ang pinakamagandang gawin na lang, yung mga magulang mo, gawin silang maging best friend mo para lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, malaman din nila. Yun lang. Sana maging matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo at saka maging successful ka sa career mo. Happy birthday!
Hi, Joy. Happy birthday. Good luck sa college life. Mag-aral kang mabuti. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Majo. Advance happy birthday. Ayan. Bye-bye. Lang. Hi, Majo. Happy birthday. Good health. Tapos, pagbuti yung pag-aaral. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Joy.
Yun lang.
Yeah.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Majo. Wish mo ikaw, matapos ka ng pag-aaral. Kasi, love you.
Hi, Joy. Wish you have the best in life and stay fit as you are. I love you. Happy birthday.
Sabi ko lang. 18 ka na. Hindi na pwedeng papalit-palit ng isip. Kung si JJ.
Taga na ito?
Ano na magsasabi ko? Nikas ko. Happy 18th birthday, Majoy, from Tito Legda.
And now,
Birthday, Majoy. Mahal ka namin.
yun lang?
Tapos na yung pag-aaral. Bahala ka na. Mahal ko na yung parents ko. Lalo mo na ako pagpagaling natin dito sa mga.
Hi, Majoy. Happy birthday. Stay pretty and smart and wishing all the best and in life. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Majoy. Birthday, Manilo.
Yan lang pa.
Happy birthday mo, Ate Majoy, ha? Ito, pwede wala dyan dito pinanta.
Joy! Happy na birthday pa! Sige na nga, happy birthday, Mama Chuchu! Yan lang.
Happy birthday, Majoy. 18 ka na. 16 years ago, 3 ka pa lang. So, wish ko maging makadami ka ng boyfriend para nakapamili ka. Pero hindi ibig sabihin mo gusto ko puro boyfriend na kasi focus sa family mo. Sana maging priorities mo pa rin yung pag-aaral. Kasi hindi mo ubus yun, pwede mong gawing boyfriend. Pero pag matanda ka na, mahirapan ka mag-aaral. Diba? Tapos, sumunod ka sa mama mo, papa mo. Lagi. Kahit pinagagalitan ka niya, ibig sabihin, concern sila sa'yo. Lagi sigurado ko ang iniisip nila pagka meron silang ayaw. iniisip nila makasasama sa iyo. Hindi naman KJ yan. Siyempre, gusto nila kung saan ka masaya. Kaya lang, kung gusto mo, kaya lang, hindi ka papayagan. Hindi ibig sabihin, ayaw ka na ng sumaya. Siguro, kasi natatakot na sila sa'yo. Ano, pahanap ka. Ay, bakit sir mong ko? Hindi, basta, wish ko na matupad mo lahat ng mga gusto mo sa buhay. Tingin ko, ang dami mong potential, maraming bagay na bilib ako sa'yo. Ano ba yung mga photography mo, yung mga ganon. Basta, malayo mararating mo. Sige, happy birthday. Bye-bye.
John! Happy birthday! Ayan, dalaga ka na, ha? Huwag ka muna magpapaligaw. Mamalit na ka lang mamalit. Birthday!
Why take me so long to find? When I was there all alone, had a picture of you in my mind. Never knew it would be so wrong.
Putol ko daw birthday, Joy. Wish you all the best. Ay, naku. Mali mo, gusto pang nag-level up. Ilongin sa akin ka. Tulungan mo yung mga kapatid mo. Be good. And stay healthy. Maging masaya ka ngayon. Enjoy life dito sa Pinas.
Kung si JJ,
Love you. Love you na.
Happy birthday, Joy Joy! 18 years old ka na, wala mo ng boyfriend. Ay, oo, tama, wala mo ng boyfriend, ha? Pamili ka na. Ano yung usapan natin? Ano nga yun?
Collect.
Ano yun?
Collect. Maya.
Happy birthday, mag-aaral ka mabuti. Love you, mabuti.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful.